In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show total price in Agoda. If you've ever searched for hotels online, you've probably noticed that many booking platforms display only the nightly rate at first. While that can be useful for comparing accommodations, it could also make it difficult to immediately understand how much you'll actually pay in total. So in this guide, I'll walk you through how to view the complete price of your Agoda booking, including taxes and additional charges, before you finalize your reservation. When you first open Agoda, you'll arrive at the main homepage where you'll see different travel categories, such as flights, hotels, transportation, activities, deals, and travel guides. Since we're focusing on accommodation pricing, go directly to the Hotels and Homes section. This is where you can begin searching for the place you want to stay. Before browsing through hotel listings, make sure you enter your check-in and check-out dates correctly. This step is extremely important because Agoda calculates pricing based on the duration of your stay. If the dates are missing or incorrect, the platform won't be able to provide an accurate estimate of the total cost. Taking a moment to confirm your travel dates will help avoid confusion later on. After entering your dates, you can start exploring the available accommodations. As you browse, keep in mind that Agoda usually displays prices per night by default. This layout is designed to make comparing hotel rates easier, but it does not immediately show the full amount you'll pay for your entire stay. At the moment, Agoda does not provide a built-in option to permanently switch all search results to total pricing during the browsing stage, so this is something you should always be aware of while searching. Once you find a hotel that interests you, open the listing and scroll down carefully until you reach the Booking Breakdown section. This is the most important part of the process. In this section, Agoda shows the complete cost of your reservation, including the total amount for all nights, along with taxes, service charges, and any additional fees. Reviewing this breakdown before confirming your booking helps ensure there are no unexpected surprises during checkout. And that's it. That's how you can view the total price on Agoda before completing your reservation. Taking a few extra moments to check the full breakdown can help you plan your budget more accurately and make your booking experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.